Hello everyone and welcome to FinLadder. We have decided to start a program for students interested in the field of finance. We will be teaching you the basics in investment banking, hedge funds, portfolio management, insurance, and stock markets. As we all know that the sooner we start, the better it is. So we have come up with a training program focusing on national stock exchanges, certifications in financial markets, NCFM, conducted by the National Stock Exchange, NSE. We will be starting with NCFM Equity Derivative Beginners module, and by the completion of this module, you will be well versed with the concepts of equity and derivatives market. So the question in your mind would be, why should you go for NCFM? Firstly, it gives you an edge over the other students, and since there is a cutthroat competition, getting the edge is necessary to increase your chances to get through. Secondly, it also enhances your knowledge about financial markets and its instruments. It also prepares you for the future by adding weight to your CV. And it certainly also helps in developing a disciplined working schedule. Mostly the course is done by college students interested in the field of business and finance, but it can be done by anyone of any age group.
So, our final goal is to get you guys well versed with finance, to promote financial literacy, and promote awareness of such reputed certifications and courses. We will be starting with NCFM Equity Derivative Beginners module, in which we will be discussing about forward markets, future markets, option contracts, and derivative contracts. We have also attached the certifications that you will be receiving from NSE after the completion of this module. Then we will go on to start with NCFM Equity Derivative Dealers module, in which we will be discussing about interest rates, pricing of forwards and future contracts, payoff of options, hedging strategies, and discuss about trading of derivative contracts. This is the certificate that you will be receiving after the completion of this module. Then we will discuss about option trading strategies, where we will learn about many option trading strategies including straddle, strangle, butterfly, bull call spread, bear call spread, bull put spread, bear put spread, strips, straps, and much more. Then finally, we will go on to the module of technical analysis, in which we will learn how to predict the price movement of shares with conventional technical analysis techniques and modern technical analysis techniques by understanding the price trends. We will also learn about candlestick patterns, support and resistance lines, technical indicators, Dow theory, Elliott wave theory, and finally we will discuss about trading psychology and risk management. After the completion of first 3 modules, you will be National Stock Exchange Certified Derivatives Pro and Certified Market Professionals. So, if you think you are interested in developing an edge over other students, then do leave a response in the Google form given below. Thank you.